9 Best Top-Load Washing Machines in India 2009. BPL 6.2 kg Fully Automatic Washing Machine. BPL is also a reputed local manufacturer of washing machines in India. The advantage of BPL washing machines is that they are ideal for use in Indian conditions, especially when you have salty water, low pressure, and power outages. This BPL washing machine with a capacity of 6.2 kg is ideal for couples and bachelors. The stainless steel drum does not rust. Hence, it has a longer lifespan than plastic drums. It also comes with a unique air dryer feature that removes all moisture from your clothes. You can transfer your laundry from the washing machine directly to the ironing table. Samsung 6.2 kg Washing Machine. Samsung is a favorite brand of washing machine. When you have Whirlpool and LG catering to the needs of small families, Samsung would not like to be left out. This 6.2 kg washing machine is ideal for couples and bachelors. This machine comes with wobble technology that uses wobble pulsators to generate a dynamic and multidirectional washing flow to prevent tangles, thereby protecting your laundry as well. All Samsung washing machines come with diamond drum technology, where the drum has diamond-shaped grooves with small holes to provide a cushioning to the clothes and also to prevent trapping of the fabric into the sides of the drum. Finally, the Eco Tub Clean feature cleans your washing machine drum without using any chemicals, thereby proving to be an eco-friendly machine. Whirlpool 6.2 kg Washing Machine. Whirlpool is another high-quality washing machine manufacturer in India, along with LG, Samsung, and the others. Whirlpool produces some of the most stylish washing machines in India. Whirlpool washing machines work on a unique technology that concentrates on move and drum combination, thereby producing less tangling of clothes. This drum contains 50% lesser holes than the regular washing machines, thus reducing the amount of lint generated. It results in a smoother washing experience. This machine has 4 wash programs to give a perfect wash for each type of fabric. The specialty of this washing machine is the lint filter cleaner that automatically cleans the lint from the lint filter. The child lock system helps to protect your device from accidental mishandling by your child. LG 6.2 kg fully automatic washing machine. Couples and single bachelors find it cumbersome to buy washing machines of capacities 6.5 kg and more. This LG washing machine is ideal as it comes with a capacity of 6.2 kg, suitable for this class of Indians. All LG top-loading washing machines irrespective of capacity come with similar features. This washing machine also comes with smart inverter technology that provides a power-packed performance and high degree of safety. This machine saves time and power because of the auto restart function that starts the machine from where it stopped at the time of power outage. Tub Clean facility disinfects the tub and thus makes it safe for you. Children cannot fiddle with the controls because you can use the child lock feature and protect the machine from your child's mischievous pranks. Samsung 6.5 kg WA65M4205HV/TL. Samsung, along with LG, Whirlpool, and other prominent brands, manufactures some of the best washing machines in India. The top-loading washing machines from Samsung come with a lot of innovative features. Samsung washing machines come with tempered glass viewing lids that can withstand high pressure. The USP of Samsung washing machines is the diamond-shaped ridges with tiny holes on the sides of the drum. It provides the perfect cushioning for your laundry and protects your clothes as well. The center jet pulsator improves the washing efficiency of the machine by lifting clothes that fall on the pulsator during the washing cycle, thereby preventing a tangle. IFB 6.5 kg TL-RDW. Similar to Bosch, IFB is an international giant manufacturing some of the finest washing machines in the world. IFB has also realized the power of the Indian market and has come up with a fully automatic top-loading washing machine. This product is specifically for the Indian market. It comes with excellent features like deep clean that is gentle on clothes and tough on stains. The triadic pulsator cleaning engine helps the clothes to sparkle by removing the stubborn dirt. The wash drum comprises crescent moon-shaped grooves to create a water cushion for the clothes and protect them from damage. The highlight of the physical appearance is the bubble leveler that helps to reduce vibrations. This machine is an eco-friendly machine as it reuses the last rinse water for soaking new clothes. It also comes with a voltage protection feature to take care of voltage fluctuations and power outages. Bosch 6.5 kg WO 654W0N. Bosch is an internationally renowned washing machine manufacturer. Usually, you find front-loading washing machines from Bosch. However, they have adapted to the Indian market by introducing a couple of top-loading washing machine models. Bosch is a German brand. Hence, you get the best of German engineering in this machine. The machine comes with a unique power wave wash system to deliver the perfect wash. The innovative pulsator design and the dynamic water flow coupled with the ideal drum movement ensure an incredible washing experience. This machine comes with dual dispensers whereby you have different compartments to use powder and liquid detergents. It is also capable of working at water pressure levels of 0.3 bar, making it ideal for Indian conditions. It is an extremely safe appliance. The child lock system prevents the children from fiddling with the controls. LG 6.5 kg washing machine T7581NDDLG. LG washing machines come in various capacities to cater to all kinds of Indian families, large, medium, and small. The best part of these machines is that they do not compromise on the quality aspect. The smart inverter motor is the highlighting feature of this washing machine. It provides an incredible washing experience while being safe at the same time. This motor has a long lifespan as well because BMC motor protection feature protects it from corrosion. This machine is an intelligent one as it can self-diagnose its problems. You can control this feature using a smartphone app, SmartThink. The auto restart feature is ideal for Indian homes where power cuts are frequent. The child lock functionality makes it a safe machine as children cannot fiddle with it. Samsung 7 kg fully WA70M 4400 HV/T. Samsung washing machines provide the perfect competition to the LG machines as they match each other feature for feature. Thus, Samsung is also a perennial favorite with Indian homemakers. The highlight of the Samsung machine is the tempered glass window that is capable of withstanding extreme pressure while allowing you to witness the operation with ease. It is resistant to damage and scratches. The magic dispenser helps in dissolving the detergent powder completely, thereby preventing wastage. The drum comprises diamond-shaped grooves and ridges along with tiny holes to protect your clothes from damage due to entangling with the machine parts. The Eco Tub Clean feature cleans the tub without using chemicals. It also notifies you at the appropriate time.